In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Deriv demo account on MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open MT5, then you want to go to File, top left, and you want to click on Open an Account. Now, inside here, you want to look for Deriv, so you want to type it in and click on Find Your Company. You want to scroll down and you can click on this one, which is Deriv.com Limited. Click on it and click on Next. From here, you want to click on the first button here, which is open a demo account to trade with virtual money without risk. You can just go and click on that and click on next again. And then from here, you'll have to put in your first name, second name, and your date of birth, as well as your email, phone number, and of course the server you want to use. So I'm just going to use the Deriv demo, and as it says over here, to open a demo account, you'll be redirected to Deriv.com Limited Company's website. So you have to agree to terms and conditions. Of course, you can read them over here, and then you have to click on the next button, and what's going to happen is it's going to open up the website from Deriv, and here you can see you have a Traders Hub, and you can see Deriv MT5 Standard. You can simply click on the Get button, and it's going to take you to a page where you basically have to sign into your account, and whenever you do this, you'll be given your account over here, okay? Then hit this Trade button, and you'll be able to set the password, and then if you want to actually sign into MT5, you can watch my other video where I teach you step by step on exactly how to do this. So that's how to open a Deriv demo account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.